everybody. I know probably half of you guys, probably over half, know me. So I'm Matt Asmunson. I'll let the rest of the crew introduce themselves.
My name's Luke. I'm one of the coaches here.
My name's Adam, and I'm also one of the coaches here. Larissa's working out. She's over there. So Monday morning, you'll wake up. There'll be a text sitting on your phone. It'll be from a weird number. It'll be a link to a survey. The survey is going to ask you, what's your energy like? What's your focus like? What's your mood like? There'll just be little multiple choice you can choose. Okay, and then how long did you sleep and how good was your sleep, good or bad? Okay. Now what that's going to tell us is we'll get like a heat map. I'm going to send that heat map to Megs and Tess every single morning. Okay. From that heat map, red means bad, green means good. So if Sid, I don't know, in November, December, you guys have a midterm exam or something comes up, okay? She sleeps 4 hours, she's really stressed because she has an exam that she hasn't studied enough for, and all that sort of stuff. Sid's gonna come up as red, okay? What that's gonna do is at 10 a.m., I'll send that report to Megs, then I'll probably go downstairs, have a coffee with all the coaches, and we'll be like, okay, who are your reds? When something's red, we can adjust the plan. So maybe what I can do is I can be like, okay, perfect. There's 5 of them who are really stressed. I'm gonna take those 5 and we're gonna amend that plan to do a little light bike where we're in a really low aerobic threshold zone, and then we're gonna do a full body stretch series, okay? And maybe that actually brings you up to like a 6 out of 10. You're performing a little bit better and you have a little bit better of a practice, and maybe you even perform a little bit better on your exam, okay? Because we kind of changed the plan and adjusted. If you guys do it, I guarantee 110% that over the long run of the entire season, it's going to result in you starting right now at a 10 out of 10 and potentially finishing the season at an 11 or a 12 out of 10, okay? In the past, hockey's been that sport where you show up in September at a 10 or at your training camp and you finish the season at a 7. I can tell you for a fact, last year, all our teams combined on all our key metrics, we had an average of 7% improvement in season, okay? So we're kind of flipping the entire model upside down and showing that, no, you can actually get better in season if you plan these things and you do all the little details every single day. Those little wins are gonna accumulate over time, and it's gonna result in big progression. Okay, so don't underestimate the power of everyday little things. We're all pretty lucky to be in here, working out, playing a sport that you guys all love. So let's just show up with a good attitude, work hard, move on. I have your best interests in mind, so all I expect is just try hard, okay? Really simple, we'll have a really good year. So it's just gonna result at the end of the year, you guys being that much better. So we're gonna work really hard, but we're also gonna work with a lot of intent and focus. And you guys are going to see some results really quickly, okay? So just buy in. Okay, I think you guys are a really good group, and I think we'll work well together. So, any questions? I'm always an open book. Come talk to me. Ask me why. You can ask me why I programmed any exercise in your program. I'll give you a good reason, okay? Don't be sassy about it, because I'll give you sass back. But just, you know, ask why. I like that. I like when you guys create conversations. It shows me that you're bought in and you want to get better, okay? So, help me help you. Cool?
I have a question.
Yes, ma'am.
How much can you squat?
Okay, definitely more than 10.
That's squat.
Okay, get ready for on ice keep test. It's gonna be fun.
Welcome to training camp, boy.